The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a tornado warning for southeastern St. Louis County in northeastern Minnesota, eastern Carleton County in northeastern Minnesota, northwestern Douglas County in northwestern Wisconsin, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Duluth, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and $size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Duluth now, Superior at 2:50 p.m. Ambridge at 3 p.m. South Range at 3:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Parkland, Black River, Carleton, Riverview and Chaffee.